positive. A proton with speed of 3 times 10, kani problem na niya? Problem na ni. A proton with speed of 3 times 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Ano yung speed enters a 0.5 T or Tesla. That's the unit of magnetic field. Perpendicular to its velocity. So, perpendicular man, forming 90 degrees. So, yung ani siguro nasa drawing. Okay. And then, may tabuan na, since it's perpendicular, so the velocity or the charge will move in a circular manner instead of straight line since naka-perpendicular na. So the force there, the magnetic force will become the centripetal force, maintaining the circular path of the proton. Ay proton ang nasa tong problem. Before I will forget, ang isa ka proton, wala man gud gingong dira ang charge. Need ba nato ang coulombs or charge no to compute the Lorentz force. So, one proton, it has a charge of or coulombs of 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19. Same po na sa isa lang ka electron. Ang isa ka electron na siya 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulombs pero mag-negative ta diri. Kung negative niya kay proton man ni positive ta diri. Okay? But the magnitude of the coulombs or charge sa isa lang ka proton or electron pareha ra. 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulombs. Okay? Now, figure out the Lorentz force, or we call it magnetic force in some other books or references. Kung di gamiton si Lorentz force, magnetic force. Okay? And the formula is we have F is equal to Q, charge, velocity times our magnetic field, then sine theta. It's perpendicular, so 90 ato ang theta ani. The value of our theta will be 90. And then if you will input sine 90 degrees in our calculator, it will give us 1. So, pwede rin ito niwalaon, no? Okay, everything multiplied by 1 will have the same answer. Okay, natay speed or velocity. And then we have the B field. And we have the charge sa isa ka proton. So, we can just input everything perfectly in the formula. So again, Q, that's the charge of one proton. Balik ko na ito ni Ibsig magawa sa yung mga quiz B bar. Sa ba? 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulombs. 3 times 10 raised to 6, that's the speed or velocity. And we have 0.5 Tesla as the B field. Calculate, and you will get, should be Newton because we're dealing with force, so the unit must be Newton. So it's 2.4 times 10 raised to negative 13. I hope tama, no? Pero sa akin, mamali ko ba? Calculate. Okay, that's the Lorentz force. Okay, that's the maximum or force that will push the charge and maintain its circular pathway. Why circular? Because it's perpendicular. Okay, and the Lorentz force will act as a center seeking force. That's the direction of the force, no? Into the page. Ay kung imuha nang i-perform ang right hand rule, butang nimo na imong kamot dira, tabunan nimo na yung drawing, direction mo ni thumb nimo, mo na imong mga ubang tudlo, no? So, ang atong palm na dito sa likod. Kana. So, kay positive man, so dito ang direction sa atong force. Kung mag-negative na, dili pud na yan direction kung mag-negative. Kung negative ang atong charge. Kay positive man, dito pud ang direction sa atuang diri ang direction sa atuang force atong nigawas nga imaginary vector sa atuang palm. Another problem, a proton with a proton has a 1 times 10 raised to negative 6 coulombs penetrates a B field into the page with 1,000 meter per second velocity going right. So, atong charge, proton, positive ni. And then X, remember the symbol X of our B field, meaning the B fields are going into the page, padulong aning screen, away from us. Okay? And then the velocity is going to the right. So na ang velocity nato diri sa charge going to the right. So it will form a perpendicular or 90 degrees between velocity of the charge and the B field. So kung anang mahitabo, again, we can use the formula, but this time sine 90, since perpendicular man it's just equivalent to 1. So, pwede na ta dili, wala na to ng sine ra, 1 ra gyapon ang pagkalculate na. Ano na 90 degrees? Let's say for example, padulong dito ang field, no? Although murag slant pero straight line na mapadulong dito. And you have your velocity going to the right. So kanina ni 90 degrees diri nga nahitabo. Murag dili 90 degrees tan-awon, sorry kayo. Pero kung into the page ang ato ang B field ha, straight line na siya. So kung straight line, dili siguro ano yun pagka-drawing. Ang ato ang B field, ato ang sorry, velocity, ani guro atong velocity. Atong velocity, 90 degrees. So cos assign 90 degrees, it's 1. Again, this is the value 1 times 10 raised to negative 6 coulombs. That's the value of our Q. So, atong substitute diri. Our velocity sa charge is 120. Medyo paspas ko din, 120 meter per second. And grabe kada po sa iyang value sa B field. B field into the page. Ano niya gibutang diri? Butang 2 Teslas. So, ang B field na to, equivalent siya sa 2 Tesla. Nahatag sa problem. So, just calculate it and you will have this value, 2.4 times 10 raised to negative 3 newtons, the unit of force. Now, the initial direction of the Lorentz force of magnetic force before bending the motion of the charge, it's upward. Before niya ipatuyok ang charge, yung straight pa man hinay og patuyok hangtod motuyok na siya. Okay? So in this case, muna itong velocity, na dito sa sulod ang atong charge, no? So, it perform good sa inyong kamot. Right hand rule. Isulod, paana ka. Saan na to? Paana. And then, ang velocity nimo kay dito man sa right. So, flip lang na yung dali. Ayun, itong paana. Kay lisod na kayo. Paana ka ta. And then, look at your palm. Asa siya nagatubang. Dito na siya sa taas, no? So, ang ato ang vector ani sa atong Lorentz force will be upward. Kay provided nga positive atong charge. So, kung asa tong palm na to, asa ang atong imaginary line or vector, upward mo. Kaya ato ang field padulong dito, pasulod, nga ato ang velocity kay right. Pwede ka paana, or lisod na. Nakakapon dito ang yang saka. Pero mas dali ang pag-ana, then ana lang ka. Right, mangyapon ang atong thumb padulong sa right. So the vector will go upward atong direction. Ana. Okay, thank you. That's it for our magnetic field with respect to charge. Okay, magnetic field exists when the charge is moving, but it will stop generating when the charge is not moving. That's it for today. I hope it will help you in your upcoming exam. Bye for now.